बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सईदा रज़ा। I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System. Today we will do maths basics, addition of variable part 3. In part 3 we will see rearranging and pairing in addition of variable, and we will follow the conditions too. Now, first example. Now, see, first of all, we will make term. You know what is term? They call circle. You think in circle we say Urdu, and term we say in English. No, in which we can see circle and we can say term too. Now I am making term. You can see. I have done my terms. Now I will rearrange and forget the conditions. Now this and this. See, there is same variable and same power. Look, same variable y and y, 2 and 2. They are same variable. Now I will write down the down. Look, 2y square plus 8y square. Now the remaining thing we will write down. That's why they are no same. Now we will make a pair. Then again you will say, what is pair? That thing is pair. We can take circle 2 and pair 2. That's why they are pairing questions. Now that's why we will say the pair. Now, don't forget the conditions. Look, same variable y and y, same power 2 and 2. Now, power and 2 we will write down as it is. Now done. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now it is our answer. That's why this will be not gone. Now it is the answer. You can see there is no pair anyone. That's why. Now we will do second example. Let's take second example. We will take 3 examples. Let's take another example. Now it is the question. Now first of all we will make a term. Now it is my question. I have done my term. Now I will write down. First of all, I will rearrange like I do that. Now, condition, same variable and same power. Look, same power z and same variable 3 and 3. Now I will write down. Now I will write down. Now there is no pair, that's why I will write down as it is. Now I will make a pair. I have done my pair. Now I will write down remaining. I have done remaining. Now I said I will not touch the same variable and the same power. I will write down as it is. Now I have done as it is. Now 9 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now it is my answer. That's, you can see there is no pair. That's why it is my answer. Now now I have done my 2 questions now. Okay, no subscribe, no like, share, but share it.